If Netflix app is not working on your Amazon Fire TV, it won't open, gets stuck in black screen, or keeps loading, and you get errors like can't connect to Netflix, Netflix has encountered an error, and it keeps retrying, then here's how you fix Amazon Fire TV's Netflix app. If you're experiencing issues with the Netflix TV app, then the first thing that you should naturally check is your internet. Even if your internet is working, your TV may not be able to access the internet. So to check that, you can just play any other streaming app and see if you can load them properly. If none of the apps work, then first you'll need to troubleshoot your internet. For example, you can restart your router and also forget your Wi-Fi and reconnect to it. But in case only the Netflix app is malfunctioning, then we can check the Netflix server status in case the server is down. And you can do it right from your TV by opening the Silk browser. Then just search "Is Netflix down?" After that, we can go to the Netflix website, and if it says Netflix is up and running, but your TV app is not, then we can also check another small thing. If you're using VPN, then try disconnecting the VPN temporarily and see if that helps. Also, another thing that can cause issues is your TV's system time in case it's set incorrectly. To check that, you can just go to Preferences, then Time Zone, go down to Time Zone, and here check your time. If the time is incorrect, then just switch to a different time zone and switch back. Even after selecting the correct time zone, if Netflix still won't work, then what will definitely fix this is cold booting or soft resetting your Amazon Fire TV. To do a soft reset, unplug your TV from power, wait for around 5 minutes, and then turn your TV back up. Now give Netflix another try, and hopefully it's now fixed. Still not fixed? Then what you can try is clearing the Netflix app's data or reinstalling it. To do that, from the Settings tab, we will head to Applications, go to Manage Installed Applications, find Netflix from the list, and hit Uninstall. But if you uninstall it, make sure you have the Netflix credentials so that you can log back in. If you don't have them, you can also offload the app, which will clear all its data, but you will still be logged in. And after that, just open back Netflix or reinstall it, open it, and it should start working just fine. So now you can get back to watching movies or TV shows that you like. Let us know how it went. If this helped, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more.